Let's talk about something we see a lot. The idea that boys fix cars and girls play with dolls. Is that really how it should be? See, we often think men know more about cars, and mechanics sometimes assume women don't know much. But here's the truth. Mechanics aren't biased against women. They're biased against anyone who doesn't know about cars. And while women often ask men for help, most men know just as little about cars as women do. Don't believe me? Take this 15-question quiz. The link is in the description below. You might be surprised. Hi, I'm Marco, and even as a man, I've been there. Mechanics have tried to upsell me because they know most people don't understand car repairs. I know some basics like oil changes and tire fixes, but if they tell me I need new motor mounts or calipers, I'm lost. Experts say get a second opinion, but who has the time or money? You get charged for diagnostics and you're without your car for even longer. You're left with a tough choice: pay for potentially unnecessary repairs or risk your safety. Mechanics know this, and they know fear makes us pay. That's when I realized the problem, well, lack of car knowledge. It made me wish I had a mechanic friend to help verify repairs, but that's too expensive. So I created how2know.com. It's an online platform that gives you the knowledge and confidence to handle car repairs. We focus on two things: expert online mechanic consultants, to help you understand the repairs needed and to deal expertly with your local mechanics. Preventative maintenance know-how. Learn how to keep your car running smoothly and avoid breakdowns. With how2know.com, you'll be on equal footing with your mechanic. They'll know you understand, and they'll treat you with respect. If this sounds like something you need, sign up for our email waiting list. The link is in the description below. And please, share this video with anyone who needs to drive with confidence.